It's me, Imad from Nelson Darwin Park Tech YouTube channel. So today in this video tutorial, we will learn about how to make a simple dice game within CH.NET. So how we can do that? First of all, we need to click on File, then New and then Project. Visual CH and then click on Windows Forms application and you can change the name of the project if you want. Okay, we will write here dice_game. Click on OK. Now our Windows form is there. Okay, so this is our Windows form. Now we will take one label. Now click on label and go to its properties. We will go for like this. We will check the font. Okay, which we see that which is good for us. So which font is good? Broadway. Okay, so we will 2436. Okay, now this is our okay. Now we will go for big color as it is, and then we will go for its 4 color. Okay, so where it is, okay, so cursor 4 color, and here you can change the color from okay, we will choose magenta color. Okay, now we will change the text to dice game simple dice game. Okay, so enter and we got this thing. Okay, we can change the base color to a little bit like a little bit dark. Okay, like this simple dice game. Now we will move and take 2 push buttons. Okay, push button 1 and push button 2. Sorry, this is, and okay, now what we need to do is to okay, now we will change their fonts, player 1, player 2 and all these things. So go to text. Here we will write player 1, player_1, and here we will write player_2. Okay, player_2. Okay, so okay, now we also need to change their fonts. Again, Broadway, where it is, where was our okay, this is our font. We will go for 12 and click OK. It is player 2, it is player 1. Go to again to fonts. Okay, now we will go to 12 and Broadway, broad, and this thing, click OK. Player 1 and player 2, change their color, 4 color to web to like deep pink, and also this to deep pink, web and deep pink. Okay, now we will go and we will take 2 what's called is the picture box. So we will go and we will take, so you can go for like where our picture boxes are. Here you can see checkbox, Z sheet, and these are our picture boxes. Okay, so this is our first picture box and this is our second picture box. we have to make them a little bit like this and this and this. Okay, so they must be nearly of same size. Okay, now we need to put two images. Okay, and you can get these images from from the link given in the description. Okay, so it is G1, G2 and G2 and G3. Okay, G1 is not useful at all, so we have to go for G3. So we can say background image, local source, import. Okay, you need to take these things. Okay, so import local. Okay, so this is our this thing. Now background image, we will again go to our second source, that is this thing, G3. Okay, now okay, so this is our second. Okay, now these are our two things. Okay, now what we need to do is to take a label also. Okay, so we will make it like it's text to like this, and it is like okay, also some more minus signs, so that it will be like this. Okay, so this is the pathway for this thing. Okay, wait, let me okay, again copy it and move it down to the second thing. Okay, so this is our part. Okay, now this is our basic GUI for first. So this is part 1 of simple dice game. So after it we will go for like its coding, so that will be in the next part. So thanks for visiting and search for its part 2.